It's not only a temple, it's a complex. Means you can today term is as the first ever mall of Pune. Means mall is a multi-purpose entity. Means in mall you can find gymnasium, other places, book store, and also some cinema theater or entertainment. This was the religious come social come marketplace of the Peshwa period. The construction started after 1761, means War of Panipat. मीन्स उस ज़माने का एक दस्तूर था कि कुछ ना कुछ बहुत बड़ी यानी कि भयानक घटना घटे तो उस पर कोई रिलीजियस यानी कि धार्मिक उपाय करें, तो ये भी एक कारण है कि इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन काय के लिए हुआ. So it started in about around about 1764 and it ended in 1795. About 32 years time was taken, and the person instrumental for this or the responsibility given to the person was Naro Appaji Khire. As he constructed this Tulshibag complex or this total area, his surname changed from Khire to Tulshibag. Just like Zavle to Rangari. So he was associated this, and he was a very efficient officer during the time of Madhavrao Peshwa or senior Madhavrao. And he played a very important role in saving Pune from the clutches of Nizam. And to some extent he was successful because he bribed Nizam and saved the important parts or the whatever say these knights and sardars and all people from Nizam. And he was also means praised by Madhavrao Peshwa after this incident. He was instrumental for the construction of this and this was important, means particularly the marketplace was created for the benefits of Hindu women of that period. Otherwise, Ravivar Pet was the market area or commercial place. It is still further, means about half a kilometers or a kilometers range. So, to for the convenience of people from, of course, Sadashivpet, etc., they came afterwards. But this Budhwar Pet and some Shukrawar Pet area, for the convenience of these people, this temple was created as a place of not only religious place, but also a place of common gathering. क्योंकि औरत लोग किस बहाने बाहर जाएगी, तो उस ज़माने में आज के जैसा नहीं था. तो उनको जाने के लिए एक तो एक मंदिर होना, दर्शन करने के लिए जाना, दर्शन करने के लिए बहुत सारी महिलाएं आती तो एक दूसरे के साथ गपशप होती थी, ऐसा दैट वाज द मोटिव. एंड देन लेटर ऑन एक कमर्शियल प्लेस ऑल्सो केम इन टू बी, मीन्स दिस शॉप्स. These shops have already been there. It is not that these are new ones or 50 years back or, but right from the 18th century, these shops etc. have been there. And why this is known as Tulsi Bagh? It's a Ram temple. Why it is known as Tulsi? Because there were too many Tulsi plantations in this area. And Peshwas acquired this place from again Khajgi Wale, and they converted into a temple. And there's some peculiarities of this temple also. It is all in stone and lime, and you can just even by a single glance you can know the beauty of it. यानी कि जो इंट्रिकसीज इसमें आपको दिखती है वो बहुत अच्छी है. ये राम टेम्पल है, लेकिन जो चीज़ आपको बाकी जगह में दिखती नहीं, a proper place have been given to monkeys on this shrine. There are two monkeys on each side, rather four monkeys, means mother monkey, baby monkey, mother monkey, baby monkey. Four on each side. There are 16 monkeys given proper place on this. And you can find all over the human figures are there. These are all the saintly persons in Peshwa period or before that. But as they are all clad in Peshwa time attire, they look alike from this distance. So this is the peculiarity of this, and this is one of the rare lavishly made temples from the Marathas. Here you can find the usage of marble, etc. And even false ceiling is there inside. Generally in temples there are not false ceilings. So these are the peculiarity, speciality of this. Three Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. Of course, in front of their most obedient servant Hanuman, is also there. Then Ganesh temple, Shankar temple, these are also there. Then Vitthal Rakhumai temple. So it is a complex of temples also. मीन्स कौन से भी किसी को भी मानने वाला समूह हो तो उसको यहाँ आ सकते हैं, दर्शन कर सकते हैं. जैसे मल्टी यूटिलिटी, वो एक उद्देश्य उसमें था. और ये तुलसी बाग, और इसमें एक आप सामने देख रहे हैं नगार खाना. एवरी डे इन द थर्ड प्रहर ऑफ द डे, means our day is divided into prahar, 8 prahars, with 24 hours is common, but we divide it into 8 prahars, 3 hours 1 prahar. So in the third prahar means 6 hours after sunrise, every day is nagara is played over here. Why? It is in the memory of the event which happened in 1726 when the Chhatrapati handed over the Jagir of Pune to the Peshwas. In memory of that event, every day a Nagara is played over here. Every day from 1726, almost 300 years, this is a tradition now. So this is the peculiarity, speciality of this place. The first ever mall, you can term it, in Pune. And it is always a flourishing market and ever expanding. And आपको भी मालूम है यानी कि जैसे कि औरत लोगों को बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि ये स्पेशलाइज लेडीज़ मार्केट ही है. All things related to ladies, they are available over here. The new fashion, new trends, every time you will find. And even girls or ladies settle down in the US, whenever they come back to Pune, they make it a point to visit Tulsi Bagh. It is so famous. And permanent market is there, temporary also there, authorized, unauthorized, सब कुछ यहाँ चलता है. लेकिन it is the biggest market for women. For 100 years or so, this is the tradition. It's a